Hello, my name is Natalie Tarry and I work for Natematics Tuition. It's my own business and I am a maths and mindset tutor. Mindset because I don't just work on the maths, I also kind of get students in the right frame of mind, get them thinking, get them believing what they think is possible and then smashing it and going way past that. Okay, so just a little bit of a thing there. So one of the big things I want to do is I want to change the way that we think about maths. I want to take away that image that maths is hard, scary, that kids sometimes do not want to go to school because they've got a maths lesson. Now, I have always said that maths, or any subject really, sometimes we think we can't do it. It's not that we can't do it. It's because we haven't had it taught in a way that we understand it. Particularly in school, if something's a subject that you need a little bit more time to work on. But the problem is there's just a syllabus that you've got to get through so many things. And, you know, each topic has a certain number of kind of lessons within the school year. So that's why people come to people like me, get a bit of help. So before I tell you how I need your help, number one, I want to tell you about maths anxiety. Have you ever heard of it? Maths anxiety is a very real thing. I see it in students that are good at maths. They know the skills. They know when to use what. When they get into that exam, mind goes blank. They're fine across all the other subjects. Even students who really can understand maths have an issue with maths anxiety. And I believe it's down to the fact that with maths, you have a right answer. You're either right or you're wrong. However, within your maths GCSE, you might have questions that are like 1 mark. So yes, you're either right or wrong. Or you've got 3, 4, 5 mark questions. So that means it's not just about the end answer. You might be able to get 2 or 3 of those already, even if you don't quite get to the answer. So what I want people to do, and this is where I'm reaching out to you, is I want people who are looked up to by others, personalities, local sports clubs, any local organisation, lots of adults, particularly the ones that think they can't do maths. I want to give you 10 questions, okay? 10 maths questions that would easily be within the grade of a C or a grade 4. That's the grade that is considered to be the grade that you are at a good level of maths, which means you then don't have to sit it again. So it's that kind of, it's not going to be too difficult, but I appreciate for some people, they may look at it and think, whatever. But what I want you to do, I want you to do those questions for me, please. I'm going to ask you a couple of questions as well about your own maths education, where you got, what your maths grade was, when you did it, how much maths you do in your life, how much you enjoyed it. Just a couple of sentences. Then I want you to do those questions for me. But I want you to record yourself. Maybe you and a friend do it. I want you to look at the questions and I don't want you to be influenced by what somebody else has done, okay? And I want you to have a go, even if you've got no idea. I want you to guess. I want more and more people to do this because those young people in school who are petrified of maths and don't want to have a go at it, I want them to realise that actually they can do maths. It just hasn't been taught to them in a way they understand. Thank you very much. Believe me, this is something massive and I really do hope I can count on you to do this for me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.